Every Chinese New Year, my mom will only make two things: almond cookies and cornflake cookies. And in my opinion, I don't really see cornflake cookies made like this. So this is something that I want to share with you guys because it's been a tradition for as long as I could remember. Hey. First thing, let's talk about cornflakes. You can get any original kind, just not the sugared ones, please. You can get like a big bag for like $5 at NTUC. We're gonna crush these cornflakes to go into our cookie, and we're also gonna top it off with individual cornflake pieces. Can you hear? You ready? If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a mortar and pestle. This is how we do it at home. You will see Ants, my helper of 24 years. She'll use this and she'll be squatting on the floor just... Can you see? It's like a coarse sand. Look at that. So we're gonna cream the butter and icing sugar together. The reason why we're using icing sugar is again for that melt in your mouth texture. If you look at the consistency, it's very nice and fluffy. Yeah. Ooh, that looks delicious. One egg yolk. Oh, it sits so nicely. It's like squished. Before I move on, right, this recipe is super old. My mom has kept this from like, I think baking class or something. And she has kept it in a little laminated plastic folder. And this piece of paper has survived for like years. And thank you to Francis Teo and Go Ju Kiao for the recipe. We have plain flour, cornstarch, and milk powder. So this is my first time making these cookies on my own. It's usually like a family activity. After Ants portions everything out, we are there to poke everything. So it's a family effort. It's our little family bonding sessions. Because there's so much butter in there, it rolls around and it comes off clean. I can do this. So before you bake, it'll be very convenient and easy if you just make sure that all of your molds for your cookies are ready. We use these like little metal tins, and we line them with mini paper liners. If you don't have them, just use the liners. We're gonna individually portion out all these cookies. We're gonna stab them with cornflakes, and then they'll go into the oven, and then we can eat. Final stretch, I have whole cornflakes here. And we're gonna poke each cookie. Please be generous. Don't give me like 3 pieces of cornflakes only. Like at least 4. It's like Stonehenge. Is that one of the 7 wonders? Now they're just gonna go into the oven for about 20 minutes. They're looking good. My babies. Wow! So you don't want them too brown. This nice light tan color is just nice. Now we just need to let these cool and then we can eat.
Wow. Okay.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah. Now the taste test. Come on, try it.
Mmm. Mmm.
Oh. Is it good?
It's quite
You
shook.
must bring back one for me to try.
Of course. I will bring back for you tonight. Yeah, okay. See you, Mom.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. It's amazing. The texture is so melt in your mouth. It's just the right amount of crumbliness, which I love. Mmm. Mmm.
Oh, it smells so nostalgic, my goodness.
Cheers.
Mmm.
Very crispy.
Wow, shook.
Oh, Grace.
It's very tasty.
Oh, good job, Grace.
Try this recipe, guys. It's a labor of love, but it's gonna be worth it, especially for Chinese New Year.
Exactly by Grace.
Yes.
This should be.
Not raisin.
Yeah, I love wood.
Why? Different, sis. This is the pili, bro. You can't call this your mother's cookies without raisins. They're the same, they're the same.
Nice. Thank you.